Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel Twinkling Stars Tarot. If you are already a subscriber, welcome back. If you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please click the bell button and subscribe my channel. Alright, this channel is all about the occult sciences. Alright, I'll be coming with the weekly predictions, the monthly predictions, and with your career readings, with the relationship readings. Alright, so stay tuned with me. This is a general reading. It might resonate with you, it might not resonate with you. Don't get hard pressed on yourself if it's not your message. It's okay, might be for the next week. Alright, so just stay tuned with me for this to get your readings, and do comment your suggestions in the comment box down below. Alright, if you have any. Alright, so let's begin now. In the Holy Spirit of all God goddesses, my dear angels, what messages do we have for my scorpions this week? What messages do we have for my scorpions this week? What messages do we have for my scorpions this week? What messages do we have for my scorpions this week? What messages do we have for my scorpions this week? Okay, beautiful card, scorpions. What messages do we have for my scorpions this week? Okay. What messages? Oh, too many cards. What messages do we have for my scorpions this week? What messages do we have for my scorpions this week? What messages do we have for my scorpions this week? Wow, scorpions, very beautiful cards. I mean, this is very beautiful. What is the challenge for my scorpions this week? What is the challenge? What is the challenge for my scorpions this week? What is the challenge for my scorpions this week? Challenge. What is the challenge for my scorpions this week? Okay. Let's go see the situation. Okay. Alright. What is the final message? What is the final message? What is the final message? Beautiful scorpions. Alright, at the bottom of the deck I have 9 of swords. Alright. Alright, let's begin. Scorpions, I feel that you're in some sort of a nightmares, some sort of anxiety, some sort of stress. I just did a reading for my Cancerians. Even Cancerians are going from the stress and anxiety. Is it happening something with the water signs this week? You're thinking something which is disturbing you. There's something which is disturbing you, or might come across to you in this week which disturbs you like anything, and you might have nightmares, and might think negative about the situation. Alright, so if I speak about your health this week is very, very good for your health. No worry, not to worry anything about your health prospect. It will go very much fine. Alright, just keep a balanced diet. Alright, eat healthy. That is only the need for this coming week. Alright, and rest your health will be very much fine. Speaking about your finances, the Page of Pentacles, another beautiful card. A new opportunity is coming across for your finances. You might get an opportunity to earn better finances this coming week. Alright, it could be any. I know most of the people are sitting at home and have been assigned working from home, but then it's okay. When universe works with its space, you never know where from the opportunities hits you. Alright, so don't worry, something is coming across to you, some gift is coming across to you. Alright, At your workplace, you're shining like a bright sun with this sun card. All right. So prosperity is there, success is there. You're enjoying your hard work. People are talking good about you, and your happy environment is there at your workplace, right? And if I speak about your relationship, the 11 beautiful four of wands card has came out. That means you're celebrating your relationships, you're enjoying them, you're in bliss in your relationships for this week. All right, nothing to worry about in the sections of your relationship as well. All right. So challenge for you this week is that the competition, the competition coming across to you with the seven of wands. This competition could be anything, maybe at your workplace or at maybe in your relationships or maybe in your finances. It could be anything. You can face some sort of a challenge coming across to you this week, so stay guarded up. All right, stay roll your sleeves up to face the challenge and to good and to do justice with the challenge coming across to you. All right, and what's crossing the situation, that you are confused about something, that why this challenge has came up to you when everything was going so good, when I have not done anything wrong to anybody, then why this is coming, and you're juggling thinking. All right, between two things. It could be anything. Might be you have doubt on somebody, or maybe you're already in a situation of juggling with two things, right? And then something is something you're actually already grieving about, with this two of pentacles and five of cups. All right, you're already in grief with something that you have left behind, or probably thinking that why you have done this, you shouldn't have done this, but you have done this. That's the challenge for this week. It could be in any sphere, maybe your relationships, maybe at your career front, maybe at your finances front. It could be anything. So a caution for you guys, right? And the final outcome is the seven of cups and the ace of swords. A new opportunity is definitely coming across to you. Choose wisely. All right, indeed the opportunity is coming across to you, but then there could be more than one opportunity. All right, it could be anything, I'm again saying. All right, so just choose wisely. All right, and make the best decision of it. All right, so let me see what do I have for my scorpions from my oracle. What messages do I have for my scorpions? What messages do I have for my scorpions for this week? All right, scorpions. Scorpions, you need to hold your vision. You need to hold your vision. If you're planning something, you just need to hold your vision towards it, and you need to see the pros and cons completely, and then act. For like the way I've told you that you are coming across with a new opportunity. All right, you're coming across with the new opportunity this week, and I told you there could be more than one opportunity which is coming across to you, right? With the seven of cups and this ace of swords. Now you need to actually hold your vision to actually choose out of these seven opportunities which are coming across to you. All right, and then get ahead with one which will bring you success. All right, so you need to think upon it. You need to hold your vision. You need to see the pros and cons completely, and then enact upon it. All right. Okay, let me take a final message for you from the universe. A final message for my scorpions for this week. All right, the message is from the Skanda, the god of war. All right, look at this beautiful card for you guys. All right, okay, the blessing is preservation of youth, pros in the military arts, strategic thinking in politics, leadership qualities in times of peace. See, as I told you, you need to think widely, the strategic thinking. All right, so it's like you need to think strategically before choosing between these seven options from the opportunities coming across to you. It could not be seven, but more than one. That is the basic indication for you guys. All right, and the final prayer for you is, I take refuge in Kartikeya, Skand, the son of Shiva, who is the god of six faces that are as red as kumkum. This greatly wise deity leads the army of the gods while riding on the back of his divine peacock. All right, so that is the message for you Scorpions. I hope this helps you for this coming week and take the right decision. Please do leave a comment in the comment section box whether it's resonated with you or not. All right, thank you so much. God bless. Bye.